What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video I'm gonna be bringing you guys with me through a client work, cover. So I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do for this cover, to be honest with you guys. It's kind of just random. At this point in time there is no plan or idea. So he did send me images here. It is in my spam box. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just, get the generative fill, get it going. Hopefully it doesn't crash. Bro, AI is so fucking good. See, look, like this shit is fire. So I do have my free pack I'm gonna be using just for backgrounds and shit. This is like all the shit that I use, but just have it all into one kind of pack that you guys can download if you join my Discord. Yeah, like look at this shit. The color on it is crazy. I'm gonna try one of my, let's see, let's see if you can get some nice. Now I am going to be updating this like a lot. There is a lot I need to do and a lot more I want to add. Go with it. Like this is nice. Like we could low-key use this. I just need to probably just get rid of these, to be honest. Not really a fan of the yellow. Oh, that might be. Oh, yeah. Get some texture in there. Oh shit. Get it motherfucking Glock. Get the Glock. GLOCK. So I kinda like to put perspective on it, kinda just like mess around with it. So all I be doing, I'll be messing around with this. Oh, and then I just love this effect, bro. I love putting it to divide with a blur, bro. It's just so nice. It's so nice. It's so nice. I love it. Love this shit. Okay. So nice. So nice. I'm gonna use this kind of, texture. I like this. I like it. It's very cinematic. You can, might get another picture. See how it goes. We'll get this one. We could kind of just put like this and then mess around with the blend modes. Like usually for like secondary pictures, I don't really mess with it much. Like I might just put screen, then just erase parts like that. Just to give it kind of more texture, probably just like bring it over here. Vertical, boom. Put to screen. Well, I'll probably mess around with it a bit more. My favorite effect. I don't want to see anyone doing this shit. No, I'm joking. No, I'm playing. No, I'm playing. Feel nice. Don't even have textures on it yet. Damn. Just like a go-to. Not gonna lie. Usually put in linear dodge. Now this looks like a lot of shit. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna have to just keep it simple. Fire like that. Boom, put that there. You kind of just have to use shit and then boom. So I'm gonna just finish this up. Blur, radio blur, zoom 54. Oh shit. Usually put to lighter color. Let me make sure. Yeah. Alright. So yeah, this kind of like the effect, the kind of zoomy glowy effect. Pretty heat. Bring that up a little bit. You can bring the fill down a bit, or the opacity, whichever one you like. Whichever kind of guy you are. I'm a fill kind of guy. I'm gonna add a Gaussian blur. Bro, I'm adding so much shit, but very like this. It's kind of looking very angelic, but kind of dark as well. Like, not really, but kind. We could like lighten it up some places. So the last thing I'm gonna add is, of course, the parental advisory. Bring it all the way up. I might put the screen. That's clean. So let me just see the dimensions. How everything is placed. What's the center? What the fuck? What's the 1500 now? Oh, yo, this shit's off center as hell. I mess with this. What do you guys think? Is this fast? If you guys want to save time, make more bread, you know, improve your work in seconds, literally seconds. I showed you guys, literally seconds. Make sure you go down below, cop that shit now.